So I am doing a science experiment of this. The malt vinegar bottle is connected to the tube, which will pop out there, and there's some, what's it called?
Baking soda.
Yeah, baking soda in there.
And where?
Well, in the hole, whatever that's called.
In the volcano?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm scared of this.
And when I squeeze it, it should go in. Oh! That was a little too hard. I went a little too hard. Okay. Squeeze
Tip
the
it
bottle.
upside down.
What?
Tip the bottle upside down.
Okay.
Now there's no air. Squeeze softly. See, there goes the malt vinegar. Keep squeezing.
What? It's so cool. Why do you have to stand back for this?
Just hold it up, and then it'll.
And we are
Not done yet.
done. I'm going to squeeze the rest of it.
What happened to the rocks?
Right there.
No, there was a little bag of